Hi, in front of me is IGET Smart L203, and today I would like to show you how you can enter vibration settings on this tablet. Firstly, open settings. Now you need to scroll down, click on sound, it should be over here somewhere. And from here you can click on the switcher next to vibrate full calls to enable or disable vibrations for your incoming calls. Then click on shortcut to prevent ringing, and over here you can select vibrate by clicking on it. Then go back. Sorry, too much? After that, click on advanced, scroll down and click on the switcher next to charging sounds and vibration and touch vibrations to turn them on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!